Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making fish pepper soup. So here I have fish. I have another set of fish here. I have my special onions given to me at my place of work. I have paprika, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, garlic, ginger, pepper soup spice. This is grinded pepper soup spice. I also have some leaf vegetable to cook this pepper soup. So people, these are the basic ingredients I'll be using to cook my delicious fish pepper soup. Let the cooking begin. So to start with, I'm going to wash everything, cut the fish, blend the garlic, blend the garlic, ginger and onions. I'll blend it together, and then the red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper, I'm gonna chop it. So, and then the cooking will begin. So people, let's prepare the ingredients. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have washed and prepared the ingredients. Here I have the washed leaf. This is called Nchangu leaf, Utazi leaf. It's highly medicinal. This is yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. This is the fish. I washed and cut the fish. This is pepper soup spice. Here I have blended garlic, ginger, onions. Here I have salt, pepper, seasoning cube, and of course water to cook. Although I'll be needing more than this amount of water. So people, here are my prepared ingredients. Let the cooking begin. Enjoy the rest of the video.